Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again guys to Sargendut channel. Thank you for you guys who just pop in to our channel, and don't forget to give us like, comment and subscribe whenever you're ready to do so. And today we will show you guys around in Cullen Bay Resort. We're gonna stay here for 2 nights and 3 days from NT Top End Tourism, and I'm gonna show you guys what sort of package that we have included in this holiday. Stay tuned until this video ends, and let's go
till the end.
around Darwin,
around Cullen Bay.
Around Cullen Bay. Okay guys, I'm right here in the first floor. As you can see behind me, we have pool right there. If you guys want to go to the pool, it's just right on the left side and you can go through inside. While right here is our receptionist. If you have anything, maybe you need to ask for something, towels or anything, you guys can request into the reception. And we can go through into this building, really huge first floor. It's really nice. This resort also has 2 elevators available for all the guests to enjoy, but it's actually not only for the guests who wanted to enjoy this resort. I think this building is shared with those who live here for permanently.
Going for a nap, Daddy.
What you guys have into?
He had a snack. He had banana, and I have crackers.
What do you think about this place, babe?
This place, yeah, it's really awesome for me. I like the furniture. It's so cozy. Hello guys, Amir will going to show you the kitchen, so come on. This is the microwave, the big fridge, dryer, and also the washing machine, the bin. This is the stove, electric stove. And yeah, they have a sink here, big sink, and they also have condiments here. They have the glass, plates, saucer, cup, and here kettle and big bowl if you want to have salad. And in this side we have pan and pots for cooking. And here, this is the rocker to dry the plates. And yeah, everything for cleaning up the kitchen. So that's it guys, so I hope you enjoyed the kitchen tour with Amir. Bye bye.
Okay guys, that's all from the kitchen. Now we're going to move in the lounge room, bedroom, and in the veranda. There is the small one.
Hello, say hello. Hello, say hello.
And we're going to the veranda now. Let's see. Wow. It's really hot outside here. But if you want to see the view, we are actually sharing with the other rooms, and the view is actually really nice behind me. You see them? They're like boat ramps around here. And then we have 7th floor, I think, but we currently stay in the 1st floor. Let's see how the bedroom. Just like this, guys. The bedroom is actually sharing with the toilet itself. It's pretty much enough for us, but it's not only the toilet, shower. Good morning, guys. We are now here at Boatshed Cafe. This is one of the packages included for you to have breakfast, and the voucher is worth for $40 for 2 people. So let's have breakfast now at 9:30. So what I have here is for breakfast. It's a Spanish bread, and the voucher coupon is worth for $40. I think if you have more than $40 order, it will come out to your own pocket. Cullen Bay. This is the last packages that they offer to us. We will have dinner here with 2 people and $10 off for your non-alcoholic drink. Let's go and have dinner now. Okay guys, what I have here is a noodle, fried rice, seafood fried rice, lamb, and a little bit of veggies at the bottom, and some calamaris, spring rolls. Hajar bro. Our $10 non-alcoholic drink, we chose Coke. It's full jar. I don't know if we're gonna finish this tonight. Enak banget bro ini bro. Top. Sayang, what did you have for dinner?
I have a lot actually. Steak, which is just it's good. Carbonara salad, it's my favorite. That's really awesome. Pumpkin soup, that's your favorite, right, Nak? It's your favorite pumpkin soup. Every time I come here, that's what he always had. And yeah, that's it. It's good to have dine here in seafood, and we all enjoy the food.
Only the food? What about the other package deal? Do you enjoy that as well?
Yeah, we enjoy the package deal, including the 2 nights and 3 days stay in the hotel. Also the breakfast in Boatshed, and the dinner here, which is very the package is very worth it. That's the right word for me, I think. Yeah.
Finally guys, this is our last day, last night to stay in Cullen Bay Resort.
Yep.
And we're pretty much happy and satisfied with this service and package deal, and we're hoping we can have
Another one.
another one package deal from anti-government. And now we're going down. We're going down or going up? Going up to
Our room.
first floor into our room. Sorry, I pressed the bottom one, guys.
The wrong button.
Good morning, guys. Shower time, guys, for Amir. Ya, Amir belum mandi, guys. Okay guys, I think that's all from us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us like, comment and subscribe to support this channel. I'll see you again in the next travel vlog. Bye bye.